Good day, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden. This is not my garden. Actually, I'm in Newport, Rhode Island. But one of the plants that, a ton of beautiful plants here, but one of the plants that I want to talk to you about is this beautiful, beautiful rosy pink flowered shrub that's poking over the hedge here. This is Rose or Sharon, a species of hibiscus called syriacus. And this beautiful plant is just loaded with these hibiscus-like flowers. Look how pretty they are. And there's white, there's pink, there's red, there's all sorts. And when people talk about hibiscus, it gets kind of confusing. But this is a shrub type, woody plant, spectacular. Enjoy. Rose of Sharon, good plant for almost all gardens.